Hello everyone, today I'm going to explain the difference between LLM and RAG. Though we might be using ChatGPT, Copilot, Gemini, we often get confused with large language model versus retrieval augmented reality. I want to just bring small example. Assume that you have a question about how many leaves your company provides. If you consider LLM, it actually give you the general market standard answer that is like, okay, 25 annual leaves available, whereas RAG actually checks all the documentation policies within the folders, and then it will give you exact information. Assume that like 24 annual leaves and 12 sick leaves. So it's accurate and latest information you are getting from the RAG, whereas LLM is giving you the trained knowledge, which is a general standard response. So in a simple term, LLM is nothing but your brain. You already have some knowledge and it will answer. Whereas RAG is brain plus library. Brain actually connecting to your library, and whenever it needs information, it goes to the library, retrieves the right documentation, and then generates the answer for your question. So just to get better understanding, LLM it uses training knowledge. It gives you generic answers based on the trained knowledge, cannot access company documents, whereas RAG actually retrieves information from documents, your company documents, emails, maybe Teams chart or any other chart messengers what you're using, if your company has given the access to them, and gives accurate answers. You can also search for your emails like what are my latest action items. That also falls under the RAG. And it works with completely enterprise data. In case if you're using within your company, it works with that. So LLM is powerful for generating text, whereas RAG makes AI much more powerful for real world business applications because it connects AI with real data. That's why many companies at their enterprise levels use AI platforms which are based on the RAG systems. Here it is another example of LLM is like if you ask for maybe about the Paris, it just gives you the general knowledge information, whereas using RAG systems, it will actually give you the latest information, what is today's temperature and what are the different reports that are available for via documentations on the websites. That's how it works with the RAG system. Hope it actually cleared your doubts about the LLM and RAG. Thanks for watching my video.